Then they're asked the question of what is standing in the way of those hopes and dreams becoming actual.
Okay, I'm going to try to give some quick names to these. I sense that there's been planning in the village, but it's incomplete. Call this one costly basic services. That is, that they're costly in money, but also increasingly the services are a burden upon the support of the town. I think the block up here is simply unattractive physical appearance. Then the community story is a self-defeating story. I suspect that's closer to the major contradiction, actually, though its number doesn't reveal that, and really means only retelling the story can change a lot of other things on the board. In the area of making the education practical, it's too restricting, not including all age groups, and not dealing with the future needs of the village. Restricting practical education.
I just saw human lives changed throughout that week.